What is time blocking?
The time blocking is a productivity method where you schedule specific blocks of time for focused work, tasks, or breaks. Rather than keeping an endless to-do list, you assign each task to a set period in your day. This helps remote workers stay organized, maintain boundaries, and reduce distractions when working from home.
Why remote workers benefit?
Working remotely can blur the line between personal and professional time. Time blocking helps remote workers prioritize tasks, avoid multitasking, and create a clear separation between work and life. By structuring your day, you minimize interruptions and ensure high-priority work gets the attention it deserves.
Step 1. Identify your tasks.
Start by listing all your important tasks for the day or week. Include meetings, focused project work, routine admin, and breaks. Categorize tasks based on priority and estimated duration. This gives you a clear picture of what needs to be accomplished and helps when allocating time blocks.
Step 2. Design your ideal day.
Choose your core working hours and decide when you're most productive. Block off time for deep work in your peak hours. Reserve separate slots for emails and meetings. And schedule regular breaks. Don't forget to set clear start and end times to protect your personal time.
Step 3. Schedule and stick to it.
Use a digital calendar or planner to assign each task to a specific block. Treat these blocks like appointments. Honor their start and end times. If something urgent comes up, try to reschedule rather than skipping a block entirely. Consistency builds the habit, making your workflow smoother over time.
Step 4. Adjust and improve.
At the end of the week, review your progress. Did you stick to your blocks? Which times worked best for focus? Adjust your schedule as needed for the next week. Remember, time blocking is flexible. It becomes more effective as you fine-tune the routine to fit your work and life.
Quick tips for success.
Minimize distractions by turning off notifications during focus blocks. Communicate your availability to colleagues. Include buffer time between blocks for flexibility. Remember to schedule breaks. Regular pauses keep you energized and productive. Over time, time blocking helps remote workers master their day and achieve more with less stress.